Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by lifting one corner right away. Don't hesitate. Use a fingernail or thin adhesive tab to get an edge, not metal, which can scratch. Make sure the phone lies flat on a clean surface and the room is dust-free. Warm the protector for about 10 to 20 seconds with your breath or a hairdryer on low, held several inches away. This softens the adhesive so the corner will peel more smoothly. Once you have the edge, grip gently and prepare to pull. You now peel slowly and with purpose. Pull the protector back at a low angle, around 10 to 30 degrees, so adhesive separates cleanly. Keep your motion steady and smooth. If resistance increases, pause and warm again to avoid tearing. For small, stubborn areas, slide dental floss or thin fishing line under the lifted edge and work it across like a saw, keeping tension even. This removes adhesive without bending the glass. Once the protector detaches, move to cleanup right away to remove residue. You finish by cleaning the screen immediately. Apply isopropyl 70% or higher to a microfiber cloth and wipe in straight strokes to remove adhesive residue and oils. Inspect the display for dust, hairline scratches, or uneven adhesive. If the protector tore or left chunks, don't press them down. Troubleshoot with one tip. If the protector rips, lift remaining pieces from the center outward rather than from the corner. This frees trapped adhesive and prevents shards from spreading. Then repeat cleaning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.